Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device OS and the Ilink app are updated. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services because Ilink uses those concurrently. Sign into your Ilink account now. If you don't have one, create it using a valid email. This step links your credentials to cloud settings, so make sure your password is secure. Now, tap the Ilink icon and proceed to the app's main dashboard to begin pairing. You'll now pair the device. From the dashboard, go to Devices and tap Add Device. Select the correct device type so the app applies the right protocol. Put the peripheral into its pairing mode, usually a long press or specific button sequence, because Ilink searches only for discoverable units. When the matching device ID appears, tap it, accept the on-screen prompts, and grant permissions for Bluetooth and location. Once linked, the app exchanges configuration data. Wait for the confirmation screen before moving on. You finish by configuring the device. Give it a clear name, set preferences like update frequency, and save the profile so Ilink remembers settings. Once saved, run a quick test, send a command or check live data to confirm synchronization and responsiveness. If things fail, don't panic. Restart the Ilink app and the device, verify Bluetooth/location permissions, and retry pairing. Often that resolves transient issues. If persistent, consult the device's pairing instructions and check for firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.